What's up, YouTube? We got the Vulcan 215 today we're going to be using to do some repairs on this backhoe. We got a crack right here. We got to grind, cut, and weld. And we got another break over here we're going to have to repair. Okay, we'll get all this cleaned up and then get it ready for welding. Alright, here we go, guys. Nice clean metal. Cleaned all the everywhere where you see a crack. It's all clean, nice and cleaned up. Got that cleaned up, straightened out a little bit. Clean this up on the back side. This side also. So we're gonna get ready to run some beads with that Vulcan. What y'all think about that? $800 welder. So anyways, guys, here's the Vulcan 215 from Harbor Freight. So if you're ever in a bind and you need a quick repair, machine seems to be pretty good, at least up to 1/4 inch steel, pretty much maxed out with 030 wire. It'll get you out of a bind. Nice little machine. But stay tuned, guys. Like, I'll be doing some more projects with this little machine here at work. Still reviewing some of the other machines I got at home. I'll keep you guys posted. Peace out.